Here at Concert, we've got the JUKI MO-6804S Industrial Overlocker Sewing Machine. This machine comes built on a unit stand with wheels and the original JUKI tabletop with a wooden edge finish. This machine also has got built in the silent servo motor, which is excellent as it makes no noise, very quiet, and the speed is adjustable. As you can see here, the speed is adjustable by pressing the minus or the plus at the bottom there. And as you can hear, the machine is completely silent even when switched on, contrary to the clutch motors. We'll now give a small demonstration of how the machine sews. As you can hear, the machine is completely silent. This specific model of overlocker is a free thread overlocker, meaning it just does an overlocking stitch, however it is still perfect. As you can see, you get perfect stitches all the way around. The thread type tension system is adjusted on these three dials here. You can lift and lower the safety glass, and to re-thread or thread the system, you simply open this and you pull it down. This machine also has a foot lifter foot mechanism. By pressing that, you can lift up the press foot with relative ease, and you can move your material around. For any other questions, please leave a comment in the description below, and we will try and get any machine that you comment, we will try and take a video of. Thank you very much.